Morning children. Last class you have learned about preposition and types of prepositions. Today's class you are going to learn about conjunctions. What is conjunction? Conjunctions are joining words that connect words, groups of words or sentences together. Conjunctions are joining words that connect words, groups of words, groups of words or sentences together. Joining conjunctions or joining words or sentences together. Taro and buns, these words and this conjunction. Taro and buns, these two words and is joining. So and is conjunction. Taro the lion and buns the rabbit. Taro the lion and buns the rabbit, group of words. So conjunction joining group of words. Taro is strong and buns is wise. Joining two sentences. Taro is strong, one sentence. Buns is wise, another sentence. So conjunction it joins two sentences into one sentence. Taro is strong and buns is wise. Joining two sentences into one sentence. So here Taro is strong and buns is wise. It joins two sentences. Conjunctions are the words that connect words, groups of words or sentences together. And we use the conjunction and to join two sentences that are related to one another. It joins two sentences that are related to one another. Conjunction joins two sentences into one sentence. The farmer grew tomatoes, one sentence. The farmer grew potatoes too. The farmer grew tomatoes and potatoes. So here two sentences are there. The farmer grew tomatoes. The farmer grew potatoes. The farmer grew tomatoes and potatoes. So and is here conjunction. He sings well, he dances well. He sings well, one sentence. He dances well, another sentence. So conjunction joins two sentences into one sentence. He sings and dances well. So here and is conjunction. Ram passed the examinations. Hari passed the examinations. Here two sentences are there. Ram passed the examinations, one sentence. Hari passed the examinations, another sentence. So conjunction joins two sentences into one sentence by using and. Ram and Hari passed the examinations. That is one sentence. Here and is conjunction. But. We use but to join sentences that show contrast with each other. We use but to join sentences that show contrast with each other. She doesn't like tea. She likes coffee. She doesn't like tea, but she likes coffee. But is conjunction. My friend is smart. My friend is lazy. Two sentences are there. My friend is smart, one sentence. My friend is lazy, another sentence. So here, but joins two sentences into one sentence. My friend is smart, but lazy. Here, but is conjunction. Jack is tall. Jane is short. Jack is tall but Jane is short. But is conjunction. Or we use or to join sentences that show choices. Choice between the two things. Tero must eat, he will faint. Tero must eat, one sentence, he will faint, another sentence. So Tero must eat or he will faint. So you are using two sentences, you are joining into one sentence by using or. Tero must eat or he will faint. Or is conjunction. You could go home walking, you could take a bus. Choice between the two things. Either you can go home by walk or you could take a bus. You could go home walking or take a bus. Here or is conjunction. You can draw a picture, you can paint a picture. Choice between the two things. Either you can draw a picture or you can paint a picture. You can paint a picture, you can draw a picture or paint a picture. You can draw a picture or paint a picture. Or is conjunction. Next, so. We used to join sentences to show the purpose of something. I was late, I took a taxi. Why I took a taxi? I was late. I was late, so I took a taxi. So, the reason. I worked hard, I topped the test. I worked hard, so I topped the test. I topped the test. Why I topped the test? Because I worked hard. I worked hard, so I topped the test. Here, so is conjunction. I woke up late, I was late to school. Why you were late to school? I woke up late. So I was late to school. So is conjunction. Next, because. We use because to join sentences that give reason or answer the question why. We use because to join sentences that give a reason or answer to the question. The teacher punished me. I came late to school. Why the teacher punished me? Because I came late to school. The teacher punished me, one sentence. I came late to school, another sentence. So, joining two sentences into one sentence by using because. The teacher punished me because I came late to school. Because is conjunction. I was hungry. I forgot my lunch box at home. I was hungry. Because. Why I was hungry? Because I forgot my lunch box at home. Because is conjunction. Yash did not go to school. Yash was not feeling well. Why Yash did not go to school? Because she was not feeling well. Yash did not go to school because she was not feeling well. Because is conjunction. So, all of you understood, children? Thank you. Have a nice day. Thank you, children. I am giving time for you to take down the notes. So here, and, but, or, so, because, these are all conjunctions. Conjunctions are the words that join words or sentences. Thank you, children. Money 12.5 or the money.